We're going to talk about double line graphs. So it's like a line graph, but double the lines. So a line graph shows changes over time. For example, this line graph will show changes over different months. It could be over different days. It could be about seconds. So it's just showing changes, like it might have increases or decreases, slow or fast. So let's look at this one. These are the temperatures of a city. Somewhere in the Midwest. I think it's Chicago. Very, very cold city. Been there a couple of times. So let's do our title. Our title, let me use black, is Temperatures, Chicago Temperatures. Let's designate which color we're going to use. For highs, I'm probably going to use red. For lows, I'm probably going to use blue. So let's start with our first graph. So I'm going to graph the high temperatures first. Let's take out the red. In January, it is 30 degrees. January, 30 degrees. In February, it's 35. That's between 30 and 40. Do not connect it yet. We'll connect it when we are done with the high temperatures. In March, it is 46 degrees, which is right here. In April, it's 58 degrees, which is right below 60. In May, the temperature is getting nice and nice spring. It is 70. June is getting a little warmer. It's 79 degrees. In July is 84 degrees. In August, getting cooler again, 81 degrees. In September, 74 degrees. In October is 62 degrees, getting ready for Halloween. In November is 47 degrees. And last but not least, December is 34 degrees. Let's connect the dots. So what can you conclude about the high temperatures in Chicago? It's like a climax, like a hill, almost like in reading and language arts. So, sorry. The coldest month from what I can tell is January. It increases rapidly until it peaks in July, and then it decreases in temperature. From what I can tell, the largest decrease looks like it's from October to November. Yeah, so that one. So let's do the low temperatures. Now this is cold. You know, 32 degrees is freezing point, so anything lower than 32 means you're going to have some frozen water, ice, sleet. Thank goodness we live in Texas. So, January, 14 degrees, right here. In February, 19 degrees. No difference, can you tell, only by 5. In March, it's getting a little warmer, 29 degrees, still frozen. In April, it's 38 degrees. In May is 48 degrees. In June is 57. In July is 63. In August is 62. Again, low temperature mean evening temperatures. September is 54 degrees. Because the sun goes down, so it gets cooler. October is 42 degrees. Nova up. Going back to frozen. State of frozen water. 32 degrees is November. And December, 20 degrees. Connect the dots. So, as you can tell, the low temperature follows the same curvature as the high temperature. Again, a climax in July, and it looks like January is the coldest temperature. So there are a couple questions you can ask about this. What is the difference between the temperature in March? March, okay, that's 45. You know, I'm going to go back and look here. Oh, it's 46. March, 20, yeah, that look like 29. So what is the difference in temperature between the high and low of March? 46 minus 29, that's regroup. 4 becomes a 3, that's 1. 6 becomes a 16, that's 7. The difference between March, the high and low of March, is 17 degrees. What is the difference between the temperature in July? July is the warmest of all. Was it 85? Oh, it's right here. 84. That was close. This is about 63, I guess. Oh, it is 63. So the difference between the high and low temperature in July is 21 degrees. And that is a double line graph.